Now here in this video, I'm going to explain you about the variation in acceleration due to gravity. You all know very well that the value of a small g changes from place to place. It depends upon the various factors. First is altitude, second is depth, third is shape of the earth, and fourth is rotation of the earth. Here I am going to explain you about the variation of small g due to altitude means height and due to depth. Now this is the variation of small g with altitude, that means height. So here I have taken the diagram in which this is the sphere. Consider a sphere as a earth and having the center and the mass capital M. Capital R is the radius of the earth from its center to the earth's surface. And here I have considered an object which is placed at a certain height above the surface of the earth. So this is the height of the object from the surface of the earth. We have considered the 2 points, point A lying on the surface of the earth, point B lying at the height h. Now acceleration, capital M mass of the earth and capital R radius of the earth. Acceleration due to gravity at a point A on the surface of the earth, we all know very well, that is G is equal to Gm upon R square. We have considered this equation number 1. Now acceleration due to gravity at a point B, this point B, which is at a height h from the earth's surface. Okay, now we have taken the formula of G in the same manner, but at this point the value of G we have considered as a GH. So GH is equal to Gm upon R plus H whole square. This is the formula of the value of small g at the point B at a certain height above the earth's surface. Now this equation we have considered equation number 2. On dividing equation 2 by equation 1, GH upon G will be written as Gm divided by R plus H whole square divided by Gm upon R square. So Gm will be cancelled out and you will get the expression R square upon R plus H whole square. So we have got this expression GH upon G is equal to R square R plus H whole square. Now here we are going to consider one more thing. Take the R square common from the bracket. So when you will take R square common from the bracket, now the denominator will become 1 plus H upon R whole square. This R square and this R square will be cancelled out. So this expression can be written as 1 plus H upon R to the power minus 2. Now here we are going to take the one mathematical concept, which is the binomial theorem. Binomial theorem, according to binomial theorem, when we will expand this expression 1 plus h upon r square to the power minus 2. Now this expression can be written as gh upon g will be equal to 1 minus 2h upon r plus higher power terms of the h by r. This is the binomial expansion we have taken. So since h is less than r, very much less than r, so the higher power terms of the h by r like h square upon r square, they will be less than 2h by r also. So that is why the higher power terms of h by r can be neglected. Why? Because h is very much less than r. So higher power terms of h by r is very small and can be neglected. So gh upon g can be written as 1 minus 2h upon r. From here, now gh can be written as, take the cross multiplication, g 1 minus 2h upon r. This expression shows what? This expression shows that the value of GH is less than the value of small g, because when you will multiply it with the bracket, you will find G minus 2h upon R minus 2h upon R into G. So this is the factor through which the value of small g will be less at the height above the Earth's surface. So we have concluded from this expression that the value of small g decreases with the increase in the height. Now here we are going to consider the two important things. One, gh is equal to g r square 1 plus r plus h to the power whole square. This expression earlier we have got. Now this condition or this formula you will use in the numerical when you will find h is comparable to r. Means when h is not much less than r, then you will use the form of this formula for the getting the value of gh at a certain height. But when h is very much less than r, then you will take the formula gh is equal to g 1 minus 2h by r. So this consideration you have to take while you will solve the numerical problems.